Hey you guys, how are ya? Today I'm gonna be making some popovers. I made popovers before, but my husband said, can you make some with some stuff in it? So I'm gonna try to make some with some stuff in it, okay? So I'm gonna be putting some sausage, bacon, egg, and cheese in there, okay? And I will be using some hot sausage. I grounded it up and browned it. I have pre-cooked some bacon, and I didn't cook it all the way because it's gonna cook some more in the oven. And I have a little bit of egg, a little bit of cheese, and I don't think I need any salt, pepper, garlic powder because the sausage and bacon have enough salt. And then I did put a little egg, I did put a little salt and egg. Lord, I did put a little bit of salt and pepper in my egg. So, all right, well, let's get all this mixed up and get these popovers in the oven. All right, y'all, let's go and start our popovers. I have preheated my oven to 375, okay? So, let's put our 2 eggs in the bowl. And we're going to whisk our eggs. Whisk slightly. Okay, now we're going to add in our other ingredients to the bowl. We have our flour, 1 cup of flour. We have 1 half teaspoon of salt, and I spilled a little. And I'm going to politely put it in there, all right? And we have our 1 cup of lukewarm milk. Now we're gonna stir this mixture until it's nice and smooth. We're gonna whisk it until it's nice and smooth, but we're not gonna overbeat it. And then after we finish whisking, we're gonna let it sit for about 5 to 10 minutes. And we're going to put our popover pan in the oven. This is our popover pan. Popover pan. We're gonna put that in the oven, let it get nice and hot. Let it get nice and hot, and then we're gonna spray it with some vegetable spray, and then we're gonna add about 1/3 cup of our mixture in the pan. Now, I'm trying to debate here if I should put my ingredients over here in this mixture beforehand or when I get it in the pan. I don't know. I'm gonna think about it and then I'm gonna come back, okay? While this is sitting, I'm gonna be thinking about it, okay? All right, I think that's nice and smooth. Let's take a look at it. That's nice and smooth, nice and smooth. And we're gonna let this sit for 5 to 10 minutes while our popover pan is in the oven, okay? All right, our batter has been sitting for 5 to 10 minutes, really about 10 minutes. Okay, there's our batter, can you see it? All right. So I'm getting ready to get our pan out of the oven. I'm gonna spray it. Be careful, cause it's hot, it's hot. All right. Ooh, that's toasty. Got our pan out of the oven. Let me bring my camera down so you can see what I'm doing. This is a hot pan. I'm gonna spray it with some spray. Spray it real good. Okay, now, I ain't gonna lie. I went on Google and looked and saw, hey, what should I put in this popover pan first? So I'm gonna do it a couple of different ways. Okay, I'm gonna put the meat and cheese and egg in the bottom, and then I'm gonna do a couple of them a different way. So we're gonna see how they come out, okay? All right, so far, that's still a little hot. I have 3, I put the meat and cheese and eggs in the bottom, and I'm gonna put the batter on the top. Now the other ones, I'm gonna put the batter in first and then put these other ingredients in last, okay? So let me finish up. All right, we're using 1/3 cup of batter. And in Jesus' name, these are gonna work. Put that in there. Hopefully we'll have enough batter. Sometimes when I made these previously, it seems like I ran out of batter. So I'm not gonna fill it all the way up to 1/3. All right, let's fill the ones up with our ingredients in it. Not sure how this is gonna come out. We shall see. Got a little left. I'm gonna add a little bit into the ones that I didn't fill up too much. All right. All right. All right, let's put our ingredients. We're gonna see which one comes out better, okay? It's okay to experiment in the kitchen. That's how you learn. That's how you learn. And that's how I learn, experimenting. And everybody's way may not be your way. You know, you may have a better way. Let's put our cheese in there. I forgot our egg. That's okay. I'll come back to it. A little bit of egg. A little bit of egg. A little bit of egg. And remember, I put the ingredients first in these other ones, okay? I put the ingredients first in the other ones. Put a little more cheese in there. Can't never go wrong with no cheese, okay? All right. Here's some more batter. Let's just put it. What the heck? Let's just put it. What the heck? Cooking is fun. Cooking is supposed to be fun. So, some people say I'm mean in the kitchen. I don't be mean. I don't mean to be mean in the kitchen. But sometimes, if I know what I'm doing and I know how something's supposed to go, I probably do act a little anal. But anyway, let's get these in the oven. Your oven is preheated on 375. We're gonna put them in there for 20 minutes. All right, see y'all in about 20 minutes. Popovers in the oven. All right, y'all, look here. The ones where I added the ingredients after I put the mixture in there is popping up faster, as you can see. So, if they come out good, then I know which way I'm gonna do it next time. See that? Okay, I'm gonna warm up some syrup and some butter because we're gonna drizzle this on the top. All right, we have about 1 minute left. All right, about to pull our popovers out of the oven. All right, y'all, we have our popovers out. And as you can see, we got about 3 out of 6. The ones I put the meat and stuff in first, they didn't turn out very well, but that's okay. All right, let's see. Punch some little holes in these and pull them out. Okay, so I will not make them this way anymore with the ingredients in first. Let's see if this is not pulling out. Okay, let me do this. There we go, there we go. That one looks good. Usually you can just punch a hole in it and it pulls right out. But this is cooking for real, so, oh, this is a little hot, but it looks pretty good. We're gonna see what the husband thinks. I've never made these with I ain't even worried about pulling them out. They don't even look good to me. Oh, these turned out pretty good. Well, let me see. Y'all, let's just look. Let's just look. There go all the stuff at the bottom. You see? Okay, we ain't gonna do them like that no more. All right? You live and you learn. I'm not saying we ain't gonna eat them. I might put them back in the oven so they can get a little crispy at the top. But I'm gonna put them over here for right now. And we're gonna see what these other ones are about. All right. Babe, you gonna come and taste? All right. You gonna come and taste? Let me put some. I'm gonna put some of that good old syrup and butter on it. I'm gonna taste too. I just want to make him the guinea pig. All right, hubby's about to come over here and taste. Come on, boo. It's a little hot. I'll get you a napkin.
All right, here we go.
Mikey, eat everything.
I need a fork.
You just don't want to pick it up and bite it?
Oh, I didn't know how you did it.
Yes, I'll get
How
that.
you do it. You never able to pop up.
Hold on. I think you can pick it up and bite it too.
All right.
Oh, is it hot?
It's hot. What's good?
Is it good?
Mm-hmm.
Why you back it up? I'm gonna taste it too. Okay, here's the inside, y'all. This is the inside. Let me taste it too. It tastes good. What you think?
I think they're good.
You want? Oh, that looks good. Oh, look at that. That's full of goodness. Here you go, babe. Here you go.
I'm
It's hot.
trying to get back in it.
It's hot. All Southern people be biting this food when it be hot. Oh, you want some more syrup? Would you try these again, yes or no?
Yes.
Okay. Oh, wow. Okay. Y'all, I can't do the hot. I'm gonna have to cut it and blow. Woo. I'm gonna cut and blow. It tastes like a pancake.
Really good.
Should we try it with some shrimp next time? You think that'll taste
different.
good? Yeah. I'm gonna eat this a little bit. All right, y'all. How many thumbs up do we get, boo?
2.
2 thumbs up. It's good. We like it. Talk to y'all later.
Definitely.
What you say, babe?
No, just saying, definitely, those are good. I never had those before.
Oh, good. I'm glad. I love when you like stuff. Makes me feel good. Makes me feel good all over. Oh, yeah.
All right.
My husband's just so calm. I'm the goofy one. He's just so calm and direct. Huh? Oh, you want the other one? Here, I could tell. Go ahead.
No, I'm saying, I didn't.
He want to eat the rest. Okay, y'all. Well, we'll talk to y'all later. Thanks for tuning in. He ain't got time for this camera.